Y'all, so I heard about this good ass barbecue spot in Austin called Terry's Barbecue. If you guys haven't heard about it, it is amazing. So I went there and I got all of these yummy and delicious things. The jalapeno cheddar sausage, the freaking gooey, nice, smoky ass fall off the bone brisket, some creamy mac and cheese, and some peach cobbler. And to wash it all down, you gotta have your Big Red. Oh yeah. So I tasted everything already, but I do want to say the best tasting brisket that I've had is the one that they have. This one's actually really good. It's smoked. And the best part of it is that you have to try it with this light type of mustard barbecue sauce. I'll show you exactly this sauce right here. Look at this. The way that it coats on there. Oh my God. And it's so good. Now the creamy mac and cheese. Mac and cheese, a little bit of work, but still not bad, not horrible. And then now we're gonna go in with this peach cobbler. Oh my God, look at that. That peach cobbler is bomb.